Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you all? I hope you guys doing good. So many people in the comment box are asking about my Urdu channel. It's the Urdu channel name is the Crypto Shahzadi. I have commented in my link description plus in the commented pin that you can easily approach my Urdu channel. For the Urdu listeners, for the English listeners, I have this channel as an Digital Shahzadi. So you can subscribe to this channel if you are new. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video if you enjoy. So today guys, we have the CPI result that came out and we are at a record of the high 40 years, a record of high 9.1, which is crazy for inflation number. And of course, it's going to mean a lot of different things for the Bitcoin itself and the crypto market as a whole now. On the top of that, we have the Bitcoin already in a consolidating pattern. So, what does this mean? Let's first of all look at the CPI themselves, number themselves. So, we have said in the early days that the 40 years of the high 9.1 inflation, which is the crazy and the number of the inflation. I just did not think that we are gonna see an even further more inflation. I guess I do think they mean a lot of the people didn't expect that. A lot of people, be honest, in the state, you really don't have to expect it much. Which is again, I wonder, keep saying that the word crazy, but it's a crazy, and we can see over here there is a 4 decade high. So it's an unprecedented event in a recent history, and therefore this is going to be probably have a massive repercussion across the world of the world whole of the world in the multiple industries. And this will again it's percussion and the crypto. Now how will percussion in the crypto? Well, for me, starters, I think that the maybe this thing, a lot of the people are going to view crypto as a way to get out, or I think maybe things to stay in. So the inflation, what do I mean by? I mean that the crypto one of the only market, if the only market where you can almost reliably make a lot of a percent each year if you just invest based on year to year in the previous years. Now yes, we do have some aggressive and volatile kind of a bear market, and however we don't have incredible market where the people can have a thousands of percent and a life changing gain. So people are gonna probably turn it to crypto now, as they know that it's really gonna be a getting a 9.1% inflation, and I mean stocks years on a year have round about 10, but even that is gonna look very difficult to do in the bear market like today. So the level of inflation, what this means, a lot to get 9.1 return just to combat it, not even to the make any extra money. So I really do think that the people can turning to the crypto, and then of course Bitcoin has this maybe the whole protection around this for having the finite amount and can't be printed more. So the way the people already turn to it, and with what it comes to massive inflation, I think that there is a good thing for the Bitcoin in the long term fundamentally. However, it's going to take a while for the people to adopt this, and know that the people are already in the stock market. People who are in the forex world, they might have a hard time coming in terms of this, but actually going to the crypto. So I don't think that it's gonna be interesting transition. I don't think that people are gonna rush and flock to crypto tomorrow, but I think that a lot of the people heads will start getting turned, which will be great for overall volume of the Bitcoin. So just the market in general, with more money flows comes in the better for us, and for more adaptation equals hopefully the better for investors, especially with I got in early, I guess you watching the channel, there is that now another side of that, as well as now with the Bitcoin having moved in that tandem with lots of market. Recently, the gold, the stock market, I still it doesn't seem like we are just going to see a crash as well in that a little in short term. With the rest of the market absolutely tanking, we just seem to the same thing with the Bitcoin as the drowning thing, kind of a thing, that the ship is drawing independently the crypto market. So moving towards the BTC analysis. So definitely those sites, I think that the good thing in the long term, and I just think we are going to probably still suffer from the short term pain. And I have seen with the candles that brings me perfectly over to the things. Let's start off with what happened. So like I've said, that crazy candle, um, let me just take off replay, and since the last of the pushed up again, and just leave us a crazy life supply over here around 20 to $19,000. And maybe the price may coming down further, which may be a lower low for the bitcoin, and it could be very likely that it happens. Let's go on to the daily chart, and I have seen us consolidating pattern right now over here, and this is the consolidating pattern I'm showing to you. So maybe this kind of a thing over here. So we're moving towards the moving towards the short term memory, and we are seeing the consolidated with that kind of a back and forth move over the last few days. So it had made a lot of people very scared about that, and I think many of them are everything in the between. If I break down in kind of a term to smart money, we have the push up around that point. This was the point push up. However, this is a run into the level of the supply from the 22 to $22,000. What I'll show you from that diagram. This is the level of supply over here, which I'm discussing right now. I'll show you around the 22,000. This is the level of the supply, and I'm seeing for a potential move up anywhere. I think around here from 19 to $17,000. This is mainly a kind of a push up from 19 to $17,000. Hopefully reacted to very well, very strongly. If you do see a nice bullish engulfing, maybe on the daily, on which is where we completely forget what's happening in the crypto market. So there is a bullish sign that we move up higher and continue to move up on the low. If you break the structure above $23,000, this will be a kind of a bullish structure. So it just can happen yet, and especially if you do break especially the 17.5. This is the major kind of this is the major point which we break around 17.5 thousand dollar. I do expect that bitcoin go down and $16,000. So if you can analyze it in terms of overall structure, we need to be breaking, we do need to be breaking kind of structure. That's $23,000. We need to have a move towards the $23,000. This is the totally a breaking structure, and if you break the 32, they will actually going to see a push up higher and higher. So potentially the bull run. Now let's look towards the chart. We have already seen the chart right now over here. This was the quiet analysis and the short-term analysis about the videos about the US inflation plus the BTC analysis. Hopefully you like my video. If you are new at my channel, do subscribe my channel and hit the like button right now over there. So catch you on the next video for the more crypto signals. And if you want to learn more and to earn more, so do join my telegram channel as well. Hopefully you like my video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.